Hey guys, I just got a new TV to replace the LG TV that did not work. If you did not see that video, there's a link below. There will also be a link at the end if you're on your app. But anyway, so I already have a Sharp TV that I've had for over a year and it has been great. So I decided to get another Sharp. This one is much bigger.
If you got a big, let me search it.
So you're gonna watch me unbox it real quick and just put it together. Let's go. I don't know what the right way is to take the TV out. These are the legs, or the feet, whatevs. Whoa! That's heavy. I need some more space. This is a big TV. That's huge.
That's a huge bitch!
I'm gonna try to lift this thing by myself. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Don't mind my mess, guys. I usually do this by myself, so this is how I do it. So I'm gonna have to put the feet on. So I'm gonna lay this on the box. Just flip it.
I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it.
Feet.
Whoa! Whoa!
Feet. Isn't this exciting?
I'm so excited!
See? This one tells me it's the right side, and it tells me which part is supposed to be facing front. So, right, front. Oh, girl! The TV says which side is the left and the right. So this is the TV's right side. Oh my god. You're so smart. It goes that way. Okay, that totally feels right. There should be screws in here somewhere. So I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Other side says this part is the front. There we go, there we go. So it's all the way in here. Power cord. Insert your batteries. You will now watch me pick this up all by myself, which I don't recommend. Woo! Yes, so excited.
I'm so excited! I'm so excited!
Oh my god, it looks so good. It looks so good. It looks so good. One happy camper. I shall plug it in now. Oh, I need to know where the thing is first. Then you shall just listen to the instructions. Loving it. Loving it. Ooh, we're gonna do some shout outs real quick. Shout out to my neighbor Candace for letting me borrow her car to go pick the TV up because it did not fit in my car. Thank you, Candace. And a shout out to my boo for getting me the TV. Thank you. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Maybe the next video will be mounting the TV. I may need some help. Oh, hey. Let's bring you closer to me.
If you got a big, let me search it to find out how hard I gotta work, yeah.